My name is Farid Tamallah. I am from Palestine. I am a journalist during the week and farmer at the weekends. Climate change is a big problem for the people in the Middle East because the Middle East usually is a dried area already. With the climate change, it's becoming more dry. So the drought is hitting the area, and there is more desertification in the Middle East, and also the rain. The amount of rain is going to the land is becoming less and less. And the problem is that when it rains heavily. So all the water goes to the sea, not to the underground soil, and so it's not useful for farmers. And the temperature is becoming high, and the difference between temperature in winter and temperature in summer is becoming bigger, which means that it is like huge gap between, usually in Palestine, usually it used to be like at January, which is the coldest month at the year, it is like 7 Celsius degrees, and this is the lowest. In winter, in summer, it's like 28, 29, this is the hottest. Now it's becoming like 0 in winter and 35 in summer. So that causes lots of problems for people, for the plants and the crops and the land, of course, which is suffering from this. Local seeds is the cornerstone to oppose or to confront the climate change, because the original seeds, for example, in Palestine, our original seeds are adapted along centuries with the drought and the water and the soil. Now with the GMOs, the seeds now that are more spreading around the globe, you need more chemicals and you need more water, which is scarce. Already it's scarcity of water. So I think the seeds for planting, seeds are the major thing that we should restore to get back to our roots in consumption and in cultivation. Going back to the roots will be healthy for people, for consumers, and will be healthy for the plants and for the land, of course. Food for change means that we should go back to our roots in the way how we consume and in the way how we produce. And this is our slogan in Sharaka, the initiative that I am part of. Sharaka in Arabic means partnership. And our main vision is that we are trying to connect farmers with consumers together, to have this mutual friendly relationship. The relationship between the farmer and the consumer should be more friendly. It is not competition. It is not, we are not enemies. We should be on the same side. And we have like trust, and we have friendship, and we visit each other. It's not just a relationship between an anonymous person who is producing what is going to my stomach. It should be, I should know who is this guy and what is his problems. So when we have this ethical consumption, this ethical concept about food, which is we are trying to enhance in my country, that will lead to more cooperation between farmer and consumer, and that will be more ethical. You should do like ethical farming and ethical consumption. You should eat just what you need. You don't need to buy too many things and then you throw. That will affect our planet. That will affect other people who are starving and have nothing to eat. So going back to our roots, to eat in the season. We don't need to eat things that grow in winter. We eat it in summer. Why? We eat products of winter in winter, and we eat products of summer in summer. So this is my initiative main vision, is to go back to roots. We call it Sharaka, back to the roots. Back to the roots of consumption, back to the roots of production, and back to the roots of the plant itself. Take care, listen to the plant and listen to the problems. Don't use chemicals. Try to use natural fertilizers, and which is friendly, very friendly to the plant, to the land, to the consumer, and to the farmer.